There's a tiny little river not so very far away. Water's clear and sandy bottom, and hear the muskrats play. Grassy brinks and stately cattails, pussy willow, perfume blow. Now and then the bullfrogs chatter, swim in the holes below. Oh, that yellow river, twinkling in the summertime, flowing like a nursery rhyme. My heart remembers best. Oh, that yellow river, painted carpets in the fall, leaves float by, reminding all the time never rests. Oh, that yellow river, peaceful in the winter snow, dream-like banks that always know each of my requests. Oh, that yellow river, waking me to spring, full and wide she sings of this life with which we're blessed. Just a place in sultry August to sit and idly lie, shade of spreading maples beneath the bright blue sky. Waters whisper there beside me, welcome my repose. The ducks go paddling by, it's how the river goes. Oh, that yellow river, twinkling in the summertime, flowing like a nursery rhyme. My heart remembers best.